So first of all, offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Gurupad, Padmanit Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavamani Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavamani Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakhar Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vegan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and present all of my respectful guests. So today is very super excellent auspicious day. Today is called Gundicha Mandir Marjan Divas, cleaning the temple of Gundicha. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, sang Bhagavan, and he taught to us how to clean the temple. That means how to clean our Hridaya Mandir, temple of our heart. If our heart is full of dust, unearths, unwanted things, lust, anger, enviousness, stupidness, rascal everything, how will Lord will manifest in your heart? So for this regard, Loka Siksha, teaching to the others, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to us how to clean our Hridaya Mandir, temple of heart. But just you heard very nice, beautiful katha, pastimes of Gadadhar Pandit, who is a direct incarnation of Srimati Radhika. And in our Shastra Chaitanya Chaitamritam we see two Gadadhar Srima. One is called Gadadhar Pandit, or another is called Gadadhar Das. Gadadhar Pandit is a direct manifestation of Srimati Radhika. Or Gadadhar Das is expansion. Well, very nice, beautiful this pastimes. Uttam Prabhu he also explained. Uttam Prabhu many years he also stayed with me. Especially when I was in Mathura, he always stayed with me. And always he served to me. When I used to come to Bhiksha, then he always served to me, putting oil for my body. I don't like to put the body in my body, but he by force massage and also putting water in my body and clean it. It's so much love and affection. But one is good qualification. If anybody call to him, he will not give the answer. He is staying here. But he goes, hey, Uttam. He is not. And he is very shy. And Gurudev Kiranand said, hey, Uttam Prabhu, where are you? He was very shy. And he was very learned scholar also. He learned many Sanskrit slokas, and so much attachment with me also. Always servicing me. And when I start to preaching in Western country, that time he also collect some contribution of our temple, and he used to go house to house, and I gave all my what is called coffee to collect some money. He was going here. And then after a few years, when the Jagannath Puri, that temple manifested, Gurudev sent him to Jagannath Puri because he is what is called a resident of Uriya. He knows the Uriya language. So Gurudev that time told, you have to go to Odisha. Then he went in there and is staying. Still he is staying in Jagannath Puri. And he is servicing very nice also. And Gaudiya Patrika in Odia language he also published. And he also many articles of Gurudev or Vaishnav transcribed in Odia language. And many books and of our Goswamis he also transcribed in Odia language. He always, this is his service always. And and now he is also preaching. Before he was preaching, now he is preaching. He is preaching in Australia. He is going to Russia, Brazil, and different countries. But his time is very what is called short. But when he get time, then he used to go preaching different places. But he is very humble. And his name is called his what? Uttam Vaishnav. What is his name? He giving assistance to the Adama. So Adam will become Uttam. Nice. Gurudev, and he also served to Gurudev when Gurudev was in Jagannath Puri. And that time he also sometimes served to Gurudev. So now coming in this way, the Gadadhar Pandit Katha you heard, very nice, beautiful this Gadadhar. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna, Antar Krishna, Bahir Gaura. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. And inside is Krishna. But outside is Gaura. Gaura means fresh complexion. Actually this fresh complexion of Srimati Radhika. Radhika bhav kanti churi kori Krishna avatirna hoilo Navadipe Gaura Rupa dhalo. And Krishna is told Srimati Radhika's bhav, mood and her complexion and appeared in the form of Sachinandana Gaur Hari. So Gaura Hari, Sachinandana Gaura Hari, he was in Navadvip Dham. Then Gadadhar Pandit is so much attached with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You have already heard Gadadhar Pandit is Srimati Radhika. Where is Krishna? There is Radha. Jatra Jatra Radha, Tatra Tatra Krishna. Jatra Jatra Krishna, Tatra Tatra Radha. Radha Krishna ekai swarup Leela Ras Asadite Dhare Duiru. Radha Krishna is one. Just for this Leela, then manifested two forms. Radha Krishna ekoi swarup Leela Ras Asadite Dhare Duiru. So, where is Gaurasundar? There is Gadadhar. And they are very close to each other. And so, for this regard, Navadvip, everybody called him Gadai Gauranga. What did he say? They are the one saying Gadai Gauranga Jai, Gadai Gauranga. Gadai means Gadadhar. Gauranga means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he belongs to Gadadhar. Or Gadadhar, he belongs to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Gadai Gauranga. Then sometimes Sachimata is confused. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nimai and Gadadhar sleeping together, Sachimata sometimes thinking this is Ram or Sita. Explain Chaitanya Bhagavati. Where is Ram? There is Sita. Or where is Sita? There is Ram. So Ram, Sita, in the same way, Gadai and Gauranga. Where is Radha? There is Krishna. They are very close to each other. They never separate each other. But But that time, in the early age of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, is little bit, he is naughty. Naughty, understand? Restless. And Gadadhar completely what? Calm and quiet. Eh? To opposite mood, how they make friendship? Eh? Not possible. One person is very talkative, or one person is very shy. Eh? Gadadhar is very shy. Eh? And Mahaprabhu Nimai, very talkative, restless. Eh? Always speaking loud. Gadadhar sometimes he is very tired. He does not want to tolerate. So sometimes he, what is called, escape. With reason, without reason, Nimai, he start to speak. Like want to speak. Sometimes also Gadadhar is higher class. He goes to school little bit higher class. And Nimai is lower class. That time just is the students of Sanskrit grammar. Vyakaran. Or Gadadhar, he is higher. Sometimes Nimai asks Gadadhar, tell to me about the Nyaya Darshan, Nyaya philosophy. Gadadhar, he does not want to speak with him because you are not the same class. So I will talk with about this logic. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu start to speak. Always blah. In the early age, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he defeated the great Pandit in Navadvip Dhamas. And that time one is called Nabba Nyaya, in Maithala. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai, he learned all these things. And he defeat all the great Pandits also. So sometimes all great Panditas, they are very afraid to come in front of Nimai. All Shastra, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everything is also, he can speak. For these Panditas, they don't want to come in front of Nimai. For everybody called him Nimai Pandit. Very great Pandit. How did you learn this great Pandit? No one knows. Because he is Bhagavan. Because all Ved, Puran, Upanishad manifested from his mouth. No need to read. But in Navadvip Dham, people they don't understand. So now coming in this way, Gadadhar, it will come and quiet. So just you heard once, Gadadhar, he returned back from the school. Then Nimai appeared in the street. Gadadhar tried to escape, go other way. But Nimai going that way again. And appeared. Nimai, then Nimai to ask, Gadadhar, what did you learn today? What did you learn? I am the student of Nyaya. Logic. What tell to me? What the definition about mukti? Mukti, Attantik dukkha nivritta hi mukti. First meaning, simple meaning, the Attantik dukkha nivritta revo hi mukti. One who free from all kinds of distress, unhappiness, that is called mukti. Do you want mukti or not? If anybody choked your throat, what will do? You want to free from the get free or not? This is also mukti. If you are suffering from any kinds of disease or distress and you want to get roga mukti, free from the disease. Then what is it? Roga mukti. Roga means disease. Mukti means liberation. So saying this Attantik dukkha nivritta revo mukti. Then Mahaprabhu, no, I am not satisfied this. Then Gadadhar is saying, okay, Vishnu Angri Labam hi mukti. one who attains the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu, that is also mukti. But Mahaprabhu told that no, this is not the highest explanation of mukti. Eh? Then Gadadhar little bit angry. Okay, you take. Understand? Then Mahaprabhu say, no. Bhagavata Sloka. Mukti jitva annatha rupam sasarupena vyavastiti mukti. Then one who realizes his transcendental constitution form, Siddha Deha. And with his Siddha Deha transcendental constitution form, Siddha, direct sharp is Ishtadev given to Radha and Krishna. That is called perfect mukti. So that means Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Jiva has own sarup. Understand? All the living entities has own constitution form, Siddha Sarup. Some Pandits are saying, oh, Jiva has no sarup, no form. Jaise Ram, Jaise Sam, Aise Ram. According to your association, you will become that form. That is completely wrong. You have very nice, beautiful form, everything you have. But that is very minor. With the association of sadhu, it will be manifest. As like one small seed. In the small seed, everything inside is there. How many leaves, how many roots, and everything is there. But in the seed, you cannot see anything. The same seed, when you put in the soil and give water, then that seed will be sprouted and plant. Then you can see everything. Understand? So in the same way, all the living entities, they have own sarup. You have. So say Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadha Kobu Noy Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Kara Uday. Kara Uday. Uday means to manifest. You have. And sun has or not? So sun rises. If there is no sun, how possible sun rises? Sun coming from where? So that means Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadha Kobu Noy Sarvanadi Suddha Chitte Karaho Uday. You have it. But that is very potential. You have everything. Sadhu Sangha, with the essence sadhu, it will be manifest. This is simple. But nowadays, Panditas, they are giving many examples here and there. And disturb to everybody. Very carefully that of the Panditas. Because Chaitanya Charitamrita gives evidence. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Kasturi Manjari. Gurudev, Sri Narayan Goswami Maharaj, all are Guru Varga. You have everything. Sadhu cannot change your sarup. Very clearly, again and again, we are speaking this. Narada Rishi, he gave song of many. Narada Rishi, he gave song of Dhruva Maharaj. Dhruva Maharaj, which Manjari? Which Gopi? Prahlad Maharaj, which Manjari? Which Gopi? And Adrisi, actually his own sarup, origin sarup is God. Naradiya Gopi. Understand? So Dhruva Maharaj, he got Sangha. Prahlad Maharaj, he got Sangha with Narad Rishi. Even Pandavas, they also got Sangha with Narad Rishi. They try to become Gopi. Who? Pandavas. And for this regard, they perform hard austerities on the bank of Radha Kunda. But not possible. There's the evidence. What will say even the Uddhava, who is the eternal associate of Krishna, and Krishna very close friend. And Uddhav again and again bow down his forehead lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Asamohu Charnarenu Jusamo Sang Vrindavane Kimapi Gulmandratu Sidana Ja Duschajja Sajano Arja Pathancha Hitva Bhejur Mukunda Padavi Shruti Bhi Bande Nanda Brajastinang Pad Renu Ovikshnasha Jasang Hari Katogito Punati Bhugunatra. Uddhavi recited many slokas, 6 slokas he glorified. Then the feet of Srimati Radhika. How to recite? Not possible. Ja Vaisya Archita Ajabhi Rapta Kami Jugas. Many slokas. Gurudev told, still Uddhav, he is performing her austerities and on the bank of Uddhav Kunda. Uddhav Kunda very close to Sri Radha Kunda, nearby Kusum Sarovar. Opposite side of Kusum Sarovar, that is called Uddhav Kunda. So Uddhav was still is also performing hard austerities. Gurudev told one grass of Uddhav Kunda, that is called Uddhav, he performed hard austerities one life. Not possible to become Gopi. Because he fixed his form. So, why I am saying this thing? Sadhu Sangha, Sadhu duty is what? To clarify your heart, clean your heart. How Sadhu clean your heart? Hari Katha. Sinnatang Sakatha Krishna. Punna Sravana Kirtan. Dansto Javadrani Vidhunuti Suhidi Satam. Nashta Prayesu Abhadrisu Nittam Bhagavate Seva. Bhagavati Uttama Shlokis Bhaktir Bhagavati Nashtik. A simple way. If you listen Hari Katha from the mouth of Sadhu, that Hari Katha is non-different from Sri Hari. That is called Sabda Brahma, transcendental vibration. Sabda Brahma. That Sabda Brahma, that means Krishna himself enter in your ears and coming in your heart and cleaning. Who is cleaning? Krishna says, I am cleaning. Hari Katha means Krishna himself. I am cleaning. Listen Hari Katha from Sadhu. Or who is cleaning your heart? Krishna. Because Krishna he is saying, I am the friend of my friend. So my duty is to clean the heart of the listeners. Give an example, if your best friend, third bosom friend come your house, you give one chair, but chair is some dust. Your friend will not order to you, oh my friend, I want to sit this chair, you clean. Your friend what will do? Himself. Take his one cloth and clean. In the same way, Krishna is saying in this verse, I enter in his heart, I clean and I will sit. So how is powerful Hari Katha? So Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava, Hari Katha means how to clean all your anarthas. It's some dust in your body, you can clean with the water. But the dust inside your heart, how will clean? तन में मैला लगे तो धोए जल से, और मन में मैला लगे तो धो कैसे? कबीर दास ही told the Hindi verse. Hindi verse, मैला लगे तो तन से, तन माने body. Your body contaminated with the dust, mud something. So you can clean everything with the water. Are your heart contaminated with dust, lust, anger, and enviousness, stupid, nonsense, rascal, everything. How will clean? Huh? You cannot clean yourself. Well, how will clean? Richetu dorbonomarjanam bhavamahantavagni nirvapanam Shreya kairva chandrika vitaranam vidyabdhu jivanam anandam mudi vardhanam pratipadam purnamrita sadhanam sarvatma snapanam param vijayate Shri Krishna sankirtanam. Nam sankirtan. And in this Kali Yuga, Lord always appeared in the form of Harinam. Kali Yuga Nam Avatar. In this Kali Yuga, Lord himself appeared in the form of Harinam, Nam Avatar. One person asks, now Krishna he appeared which avatar? Appeared or not? Always he appeared. Which avatar? Nam Avatar. He is always with you. Especially in the Kali Yuga. Nam Rupe, what is called? Kali Kale Nam Rupe Krishna Avatar. Nam hoite Sarva Shakti Sagat Jagatanista. In this Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. One Guru, two disciples, Vijayanath and Vajranath and Vijay Kumar. And one Guru, same mantra, both they got or not? Gopal mantra, Kam Gayatri, everything will go. One is become Sakharas and another Singaras Madhur Jasu. Five. Guru is same. Giving same mantra, same everything. This. You read Jaiva Dharma. Very carefully. Those who are saying, oh, with sadhus can change your sorrow. No. You give evidence from Jaiva Dharma. Hey Pandit Ji, Dandavat Pranam. What do you read? Bhakti Vinod Thakur Jaiva Dharma Grantha. But you are not reading Jaiva Dharma Grantha. So you are speaking and others way. You read with and how to read Jaiva Dharma? Sadhu Sangha. जहाँ भागवत पढ़ो वैष्णवेर स्थाने एकांत आश्रय करो चैतन्य चरण. Very careful this. And so Gadadhar, so I am saying the Gadadhar always staying with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Where is Gada? That is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. For this everybody call him Gadai Gauranga. Mahaprabhu he took sannyas. Then Gadadhar is thinking, I will stay with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he promised in front of his mother Sachi Devi. Jama, I will stay in Jagannath Puri. Because Sachi Mata told, Nimai, if you go to Vrindavan, so I cannot get your message. So you can stay in Jagannath Puri. Matri Bhakta Siromani Sachinandana Gaur Hari. He promised, okay, oh mother, I will stay in Jagannath Puri. Then Gadadhar is thinking, oh Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, he will stay in Jagannath Puri. For this regard, Gadadhar is very clever. So Gadadhar he took Kshetra Sannyas. Kshetra Sannyas, understand? Meaning he takes vow, I will stay in this place, I will not go other place. So for this regard, Gadadhar, he took Kshetra Sannyas. I will stay only in Jagannath Puri. then I can meet with Lord Chaitanya, Nimai and stay. So, but one thing is very important. After taking sannyas, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Gambhira. And Gadadhar, where is staying? Tota Gopinath. Why? In Jagannath Puri, always Gadadhar is staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Navadvip Dham. Always staying together. That is called Gadai Gauranga. Chaitanya Bhagavad, Chaitanya Charitamritam, and another Grantha, Bhakti Ratnakar, and explain this. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Gadadhar staying together. But in Jagannath Puri, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu staying in Gambhira, very small place. Or Gadadhar he was staying Tota Gopinath. Why? Maybe question will come or not. Why he is staying in Tota Gopinath? And you can say, oh, that's a small place. So why Sarva Damodar and Raya Ramananda? They are always also staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Understand? Or Gadadhar, he was staying in Tota Gopinath. Mahaprabhu manifested this Thakurji also, Gopinath. And this deity he gave to Gadadhar. For this regard is called Tota Gopinath. The Uriya language Tota means garden. Gopinath is there. Very nice, beautiful place. Thakurji is there, very nice. And Gadadhar he served this Thakurji. Or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is staying in Gambhira. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, every day, he used to come to the Gopinath and he met with Gadadhar and listen Srimad Bhagavad Katha. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, he asked Gadadhar, hey Gadadhar, you explain about the life history of Dhruv and Prahlad Katha. We don't want to listen Dhruva Katha and Prahlad Katha. Yeah, too much, Maharaj. We want to listen which Katha? Ras Leela Katha. Maharaj, you did not speak Ras Leela Katha. What did you speak? For Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, again and again, he asked Gadadhar to explain Dhruva Maharaj and Prahlad Katha. That's a Mahaprabhu teaching to us. If you really to develop your spiritual life, you have to again and again read Dhruva and Prahlad Charitra. How is the austerities? How to tolerance? Prahlad Maharaj, how is tolerance? His father tried to kill him different ways. But never he blamed to his father. He blamed or not? Never. Even Lord Nrsimhadev, when he killed his father, Prahlad Maharaj saw. But Prahlad Maharaj, he did not tell anything. Even Lord Nrsimhadev told Prahlad, you ask any benediction I have to give to you. Then Prahlad Maharaj told, oh, my father disturbed you. So how my father will be delivered from this matter? You give blessing, my father delivered from this matter. Then Nrsimhadev told Prahlad, actually you did not ask any benediction from me. Lord Nrsimhadev told Prahlad, listen, one Kanishta Adhikari Vaishnava, answer, neophyte devotee. Just who is called neophyte devotee? One who follows the 4 principles. Understand? And received mantra from Guru. He has no Shastra Gyan, nothing. Just chanting holy names and follows the 4 principles. He is called Kanishta Adhikari. Very soft faith. Jar Komal Swaddha se Kanishta Jan. This neophyte devotee, he can deliver his 7 generations from his mother side and 7 generations from his mother side. Both sides. How is powerful Vaishnava? Just Kanishta Adhikari Vaishnava, neophyte devotee. And Madhyam Adhikari, 14th generation from his mother side and from his father side and mother side. They will tell you. And Uttam Bhagavat, 21 generation from mother side and father, both of them. So Nrsimhadev told Prahlad, you are Uttam Mahabhagavat. So already your father, there. So he did not ask any benediction. So, I am saying because Prahlad Maharaj, he did not complain. Nowadays everybody complain. There is no complain. Why you complain? Do bhajan and sadhan, everything coming from your karma. How do you think of this person for this reason come? Hare do bhajan and sadhan. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So now coming in this way, why am I saying? Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, again and again, he asked to Gadadhar, Gadadhar, you glorify about Dhruv and Prahlad Katha. Then our strong faith will come in Krishna Bhakti. Bhakti is not chief. Understand? Bhakti is very, what is called? Precious. Very, not so things. If you want to bhakti, you have to tolerate. Tanadapi sunichena taroriva sahishna amani namana deno kirtaniya sada. So now when the Gadadhar Bhagavad pade or sune Mahaprabhu. Gadadhar he recited Bhagavad slokas. Our Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is. What is the internal meaning? Gadadhar, when he recited these verses, Gadadhar Srimati Radhika herself. And Mahaprabhu Krishna. So Srimati Radhika, she herself recited her, then Mahaprabhu is very happy. Different meaning coming, sweet meaning coming. Shastra always giving 2 types of meaning. And or for the ordinary people, they are giving another instruction. And those who are high class, exalted, Rasik Vaishnavas, they are another meaning is giving. For this regard, Sanatana Goswami Pad, he wrote one very nice, beautiful grantha that is called Rasayan chapter in Brihad Bhagavatamrita. All the slokas of Dasa, Sakha, Vatsal, every sloka also, he gave the explanation of Sringaras. Sakhara slokas, but he gave explanation about Madhurya Sringaras. Sloka is same, but explanation different. So in the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he released Srimad Bhagavatam from the mouth of Gadadhar Pandit. Listen. And Gadadhar has so much nishtha with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, okay, I will have to go Vrindavan. Eh? Then Gadadhar, he told, I also follow you, I will go. Mahaprabhu told, no, Gadadhar, you should not go, because already you took vow. Which vow? Kshetra sannyas. But Gadadhar is saying, and more sannyas dharma, jag charkar. And let him then to give up all my sannyas dharma. I have to go with you, because without you I cannot survive my life. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proceeds. Then behind Gadadhar also goes. Then after a few hours, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gadadhar is come. Then Mahaprabhu told Gadadhar, hey Gadadhar, don't go, don't follow to me. Otherwise you commit offense. Because already you take Kshetra sannyas. You should not go. But Gadadhar don't I have it. Because Gadadhar is so much nishtha to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Mahaprabhu, what is called? Told his, what is called? Sapath. Sapath, understand? I am taking vow. Gadadhar, don't go. Then Gadadhar, he planted. Then Mahaprabhu ran. Nirvaksha na huile sannyas dharma rakhana na jaye. Sannyasi should be not. क्या बोलते हैं? Break his vow. No, sannyasi should be nirapeksha. Indifference. Who is crying, who is not crying, this is not the duty of sannyasi. Let him to die. Nirapeksha. Understand? Otherwise you cannot to maintain your sannyas life. नहीं गुरुदेव 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 हट बढ़ जाए. Understand? So sannyasi this is. So Mahaprabhu in this way taught to us how sannyasi become very strict, his own rules. Oh Gurudev, all we are same. Brahmacharya or brahmacharya and same. Hut! Sahaja Sukhi. Should not mix together. Understand? If you mix together, then embracing and kissing. I like cats, dog, hugs. Oh, he's saying, okay, what will do, everything in your room or in your place is no problem. But when Harikatha, you have to follow this rule. Understand? Gurudev always saying this. Otherwise, because they cannot give up their own nature, svabhav. When Harikatha going, they embracing to each other. And at the time of Gurudev, they become very angry. Understand? Okay, those who are devotee of the sometimes they also control. But those who are non-devotee, they are boyfriend, girlfriends taken together and in front of Gurudev, embracing, kissing. Then Gurudev become very angry. Gurudev say, right? At least 1 hour sit in front of me. Don't together sit, boyfriend, girlfriend, nas. Stay together. And left side, right side. Understand? Otherwise, this is not good. So how is it? Because Mahaprabhu is very strict in his sannyas dharma. Gadadhar repented. Then but Mahaprabhu, he did not turn back his face. Mahaprabhu. Gadadhar is crying and crying. When he turned back his conscience. And then one devotee, what is his name? Who told a Chaitanya Mahaprabhu today, this time he will not go Vrindavan. He meditated how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is going Vrindavan. What is the brahmachari's name? Uttama. Yeah. He's chanting this mantra. And then with transcendental vision, how people they also So welcome to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They looking. When coming Ramkali Gaon, and that his meditation stopped. Then he told to Gadadhar, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu this time he will not go Vrindavan. He soon return back. And when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Ramkali Gaon, and Sanatana Goswami, he also told to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu Vrindavan Jaivar, you nahe paripati. This is not the process to go to Vrindavan, because you are going to Vrindavan, in behind thousand people are going. So this is not the process to go to Vrindavan. Vrindavan Jaivar nahe iha paripati. And Vichakhan Sannasi, a Vichakhan Pradhan Mantri Sannasi, a Sanatan. Mahaprabhu think, oh, Sanatan is saying this is perfect. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again returned back, Ramkali Gaon to Jagannath Puri. And Mahaprabhu he met with first Gadadhar. And Mahaprabhu very humble. He told Gadadhar, I want to go Vrindavan. But Krishna did not allow me to go to Vrindavan. Because you are not happy with me. So for this regard, Krishna did not allow me to go to Vrindavan. Gadadhar little bit shy. So Gadadhar and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so much intimacy. So sometimes Gadadhar he is called. He makes there some rice and what is called turmeric, tetulpata, turmeric leaves. Oh, very nice. Mahaprabhu told Gadadhar, you eat, but now first you take, then I will eat. So in this Gadadhar and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so much love and affection. Actual Gadadhar Srimati Radhika. Are Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his learning about highest frame. Then two teachers with him. That is called Sarva Damodar and Rai Ramananda. Are Gadadhar is staying in here. Tota Gopinath watching. Yet Krishna now is properly practicing this mood or not. Our vision or Gadadhar vision not same. So for this regard, Gadadhar, he was staying in Tota Gopinath and he watching everything. Sarva Damodar Rai Ramananda with him, but Gadadhar not with. Why? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he observed the mood of Srimati Radhika and feeling separation. And crying. Kaha more prananath, morally badan, kaha jaun, kaha paun, Brajendra Nandan. Kahare kaiva dukkha, kejane more dukh, Brajendra Nandan bina, fati more dukh. This highest mood of Srimati Radhika. Dibba Unvadini Srimati Radhika. If Gadadhar would the same time, so how Gadadhar he can see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu these types of separation mood. Gadadhar cannot tolerate. So Gadadhar for this regard he was staying in Tota Gopinath and watching this. Krishna properly he is practicing the highest mood also. What's this? So Gadadhar Katha is very sweet. After departure Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Katha is very nice. Gadadhar, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself entered in the temple of Tota Gopinath and he did not return back. This is called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's disappearance, Lila, Antardhan Lila. Mahaprabhu. Actually, Mahaprabhu is Krishna. And if you go to Tota Gopinath, that Gopinath is there. Which position he is sitting? Sitting position. Before he was here, standing position. And now he is sitting. Actually, why is sitting this position? Gurudev explained. When Krishna disappeared from the Ras dance, all the gopis, they cried and glorified about Krishna's sweet pastimes. And then Krishna appeared in front of the gopis. Then that time gopis, they gave the asan. Very nice, beautiful asan. What asan? They are Chandri answer. And there. And that was complete wet with their tears and so dust. And their chest kumkum also in color. And Krishna sits. And same mood. And if one person is sitting, how sitting? If you go to the Gopinath seat and he's sitting one leg and over on his thigh. This position. Very nice, beautiful mood. So this position. Before he was a standing position. Some people are saying, oh, Gadadhar Pandit, he become very old. Actually, Gadadhar Pandit become not old. Gadadhar Pandit, and he's little bit weak because he felt pang of separation. For this regard, he could not offer the garland Thakur. Thakurji himself says that. This is Katha. But different and legend in there also. But Gurudev explained this way actually. And when Gadadhar tried to offer their garland, then Krishna himself is in this position and said like. And so this very nice, beautiful place is there. And if you go to the Gopinath, and the Gopinath himself asked to Gurudev, oh, give me cloth. When our Kshetra Mandal Parikrama is going on, that time we are there also. That time Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, Srila Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Srila Gurudev Nanak Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vibhakpuri Goswami Maharaj, and also another Maharaj. All they came in Nilachal Gaudiya Math. That time one day Gurudev said, Gurudev he told, Gopinath he came and oh look this cloth Pujari 3 days not changed, and this cloth also some hole is there. So you brought some cloth from Mathura to give to me. That next morning Gurudev, Srila Gurudev and Srila Nanak Goswami Maharaj, all they saw that the cloth is also not good cloth, and also some hole there. That time Gurudev he gave the cloth. Very nice katha is there. Bhakti Drabba Prabhu Kari Kari Khai, Bhakti Drabba Prabhu Kabhu Uratina Chai. And if a pure devotee, Lord will ask, give me. Anore, understand? Bring more and more. So in the same way, Gopinath wills mercy. If you go to the Gopinath, if you go Jagannath Puri, you must go 2 places. Which place? Tota Gopinath and Gambhira. So Gadadhar place is there. Bolo Gadadhar Pandit ki jai. And not take too much time. Because today also program, what time? 5 o'clock. Everybody come 5 to 8. 8:30 have to leave that place. And go to Sampalo. Don't forget tomorrow's katha. How many people bring? One person? 10. And understand? Those who are on the beach, they'll come. Come Sampalo, Ratha Yatra. This is very important. Understand? Gundicha month today also very super excellent auspicious. Gundicha Marjan Lila also. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showing to us how to clean our heart. Hridaya Mandir. Understand? Gundicha. That means Lord Jagannath, he is going to Gundicha temple. This is the what is called parampara. Parampara means this is a tradition. But Lord Chaitanya will just little bit changed. And that means Lord Jagannath, he is going and Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. This is the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But if you bring to Lord in Vrindavan, so your Vrindavan dham will be neat and clean. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying this. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he think I am Radha. And now my beloved Krishna is coming in Vrindavan. Answer. Srimati Radhika is thinking, oh, if my kunja is dust, full of dust, or if Krishna will come and see this kunja is full of dust, then Krishna will become very unhappy. Bhakti depends on this even. Krishna's and exclusive pleasure. And Naguni apana dukh sabhivanchi tar sukh. I am not count my unhappiness. How Krishna will please? This is the process. So Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, when Krishna left Vrindavan, from that day, all the kunjas completely are full of dust. Koyelo na boluto, mayuro na nachato. And when Krishna left Vrindavan, from that day, the kukubars are not singing. Peacock, peahen are not dancing. And all the flowers, they are completely what? Murja gaya. Murja gaya means dry. And black bee or honey bee, they are not humming. Look at this. Now Vrindavan completely full of separation. And now Srimati Radhika, anyhow she heard the Krishna, he is coming in Vrindavan. And then Srimati Radhika, she called all her girlfriends, Sakhis, and Tumra kunja sajao go. क्या बोले? তোমরা কুঞ্জ সাজাও গো। আসিল আসিতে পারে আমার প্রাণনাথ। So we have to clean this kunja and decorate this kunja. Krishna will come. So for this regard, he has this saying, this verse also. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was cleaning that kunja, even Gundicha temple, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is crying and crying. So much tears running from his eyes. Why? Remembering this Leela. In the Bengali song we are singing this. Sometimes girls they are dancing. What are you singing? Tomra kunja sajao go. Asilo asite pare. Amar pranana. He will come. And this kunja should be neat and clean. So that means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to us how to clean our Hridaya temple of our heart, Hridaya Mandir. And if our heart is not neat and clean, how Krishna will say? Externally Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cleaning the temple. But internally Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking this Leela, crying. Viraha these days. If your heart full of dust, how could Krishna will sit? Hridaya Rupi Mandir. Or Krishna will sit. But your temple is full of dust. You are neat and clean, you are sitting or not? If the full of dust, you cannot sit. and clean. So in the same way, and you have to clean temple. And so their Odia language they are saying what is called Dhua Mucha. Dhua Pakla this money. With the water, the cleaning. And with the cloth also clean. And the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaching to us how to clean all. Day before Rath Yatra, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very humble, he told to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and Kasi Mishra, oh, I want to serve, clean the temple of Gundicha. Because 1 year, no one staying in there. And after Rath Yatra finished, when chariot of Jagannath again returned back to temple, then 1 year, almost 1 year nobody in there. So what is it that temple is completely full of dust. And if you 1 year, the 5 days or 10 days you will not stay in your room. Just close your room. Also next, after 5 days you can close your room. What will say? Full of dust. Where the dust comes? In the air. So in the same way, almost 1 year, no one staying in that place. So for this, that temple of Gundicha, full of dust. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu request to Kasi Mishra and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya that I want to clean the temple. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this way teaching to our sadhak how to clean their heart. And how to clean the temple also. And if you want to serve Guru Vishnu, you have to take permission. So for the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very humble, he asked Kasi Mishra and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. And they request to Lord King Prataprudra. Then King Prataprudra is very happy and prepare all kinds of paraphernalia to clean the temple. And at the time of Gurudev in Kesarji Goswami, we did already. Jagannath Puri, today you can see what is called life. How they cleaning the Gundicha Mandir temple. Service, cleaning this. All Gaudiya, mostly all Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they used to come in the temple of Gundicha and cleaning. Maybe evening also discuss this katha also. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with his own hand, he gave the chandan. Chandan is that? Sandal paste in the forehead of the Vaishnavas. And he offered one garland to all the Vaishnava Seva. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself teaching to us, Chariya Vaishnava Seva Nistar Pe Chekeva. Without serving Vaishnava, you cannot free from Maya. Vaishnava Seva. Guru Seva and Vaishnava Seva. Then you can serve to Lord. You want to serve to Lord or not? But how to serve to Lord? First serve Vaishnava, then Guru, then Bhagavad Seva. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaching to us. Apani Achari Jivere Seva. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself practiced and servicing to the Vaishnavas. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, he is holding the clay pot and what is called another paraphernalia and brooms. They take it. Good. Who is taking the clay pot and brooms in his hand? In India, those who are called low caste people. Understand? India is very prominent caste system. Everybody not cleaning. Who is cleaning? Low caste people. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, and Bhagavad Seva is tapas. Understand this? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself taking this and going, and Nam Sankirtan. And how to serve Thakurji? With your mouth, you chant holy names, and with your hands, serve. Mukh mein Ram Nam, और Ram सेवा हाथ में. With your mouth you chant holy names, और in your hands serve to ठाकुर जी. तो मुख में राम सेवा, राम ये मुख में राम नाम राम सेवा हाथ में. तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे, राम तेरा साथ में. तुलसीदास saying this. Servicing this way. If you serve with your hand and chant holy names with your mouth, then one day pure holy name automatically manifest in your tongue. Now it's very difficult to chant holy names. And Hare Kiss call. Understand? But when pure holy name manifest in your tongue, and automatically Tunde Tanduri Vitonite Tundavali Laptai Karna Koro Bam. Just I will explain. And that time very difficult to stop to chanting holy name. That you ask to Lord, oh Lord, give me thousand tongues, I will chant your holy names. Give me thousand eyes, I will take your beautiful form, Vigraha Darshan. Oh Lord, give me thousand Ajutameva Karnam. You give me thousand years and listen to your sweet pastimes. Now it's very difficult. 1 hour, after 1 hour, listen Harikatha. Your ears not working. Working or not? Not working. Maharaj Gurudev. So, now 10 o'clock. Both of you. I push. What did you listen? Nothing. Not enter in these ears. Nothing. Because here is you have no hole. You have ears. Kanta hai. But you have no hole. And have you hole or not? You check. Going or not? Understand? One Kapalik sadhu, he came in the assembly house of Vikramaditya, and he brought one skull. Understand? And the Kapalik sadhu, he asked to Vikramaditya, I heard in your assembly house all the great persons you have. So they can explain this skull. He was intelligent or he was foolish? Who is this? And no one give answer. Then the Kapalik sadhu become very angry. Then Vikramaditya, don't worry. My great and intelligent person is coming. His name is Kalidas. Then after a few minutes, Kalidas he came. Then Kapalik sadhu asked the same question. This skull, whose? That person he was scholar or foolish? Kalidas told, I'll give you answer theoretical or practical. What do you want? Let's go practical, good. Okay. What do you want? What is called? Broomstick. And therefore to enter in this ear and going this way. Then Kalidas told, understand that Kapalik sadhu, no, but you are same also. How to understand? What is that? Are an intelligent person. Listen and keeping in his heart. Vicharj, and he thinking. Our stupid foolish person is what? Listen these ears and doing this. So you are foolish. Understand? Don't become foolish. You should be and enter. Listen Harikatha and keep your heart. And you are thinking this. And Chintan karo. Understand? Thinking. What is it? So listen Harikatha. Why I am giving emphasis this word? again and again listen Harikatha. And Surotang Nittam, again and again listen Harikatha. And only Harikatha can protect you. No one can protect you from Maya. You are sitting here, so you are protected by Maya. Maya not disturb you. After Harikatha will go, then Maya disturb you. Disturb you or not? Last, anger, stupid, nonsense, rascal, all things will come. Hey? Paracharcha, paraninda, and criticize to others. Just to leave this place, then start and criticize to others. But now we are sitting very calm and quiet. So listen Harikatha. Harikatha can protect you. Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he told, in this material world, no one protects you from Maya. Only Harikatha. Understand? Gaur Premanande. Balavrindavan Vihari Lal Ki. 2:30 now. Arati. Then you take Mahaprasad. Then again come Harikatha. Then tomorrow it will be Ratha Yatra. And tomorrow become very nice gopi. Otherwise Krishna will be where I already killed the Putana. So where is coming? Again Putana coming from where? Everybody should be nicely decorated. Go Premanandi. And then take Mahaprasad.